Hello everyone, this is Wes Bates coming to you from the Aerospace Innovative Technology Summit in Birmingham, Alabama. And joining me today is my very special guest, Mr. Nick Bowman. Nick is our Vice President of Engineering, Technology, and Quality for GKN Aerostructures North America. How's it going, Nick?
Going great, thanks Wes.
Well, we're glad to have you here, Nick. So Nick, you spoke to the folks here at the conference about GKN Aerospace's presence, particularly in the Southeast U.S., and particularly the fact that GKN Aerospace operates 4 advanced composite manufacturing sites employing about 1,200 people. So, of course, the Southeast U.S. is a big presence for us. Can you talk a little bit about what you spoke to in regards to the future and what GKN is looking to grow its presence in the Southeast U.S.?
So I think one of the things that we're always looking for to grow our presence is firstly we need intellectual horsepower and capacity. So we need universities graduating high quality engineering candidates. We need a workforce that is equipped for the digital age, the workforce of tomorrow. That's shop floor employees as well as the folks who support those shop floor employees. We're also looking to have an active ecosystem in the environment. We need to have public-private partnerships with academia so we can generate innovation all in one geographical location. And finally, we're looking for support from state and local government in terms of incentives and the right economic environment for us to do business.
Okay, so you talk about public-private partnerships, especially in the world of academia. As most people know, that GKN Aerospace currently has a research cooperation agreement with Oak Ridge National Lab in Tennessee on additive manufacturing. Can you talk a little bit about what we're doing at Oak Ridge?
Yeah, I think Oak Ridge is a great example about how we've moved technology around the world for where it makes sense. Our additive manufacturing journey started in Sweden around additive features on engine components. We realized we wanted a US presence focused predominantly on aerostructures. We transferred that technology to the US and we picked Oak Ridge because it was a world-class facility with world-class researchers, a great example of the public and the private partnership coming together, and ultimately signed a long-term multi-million-dollar research agreement. And we started off with a research piece of equipment. Just last year we commissioned a brand new pilot production equipment, something we believe to be the largest pilot production cell in the world, and we're focusing on the development of aerostructures technology in additive manufacturing.
Well, there you have it, guys. That's Nick Bowman talking to you about some of the exciting things that GKN Aerospace is doing in the Southeast United States, in particular with our manufacturing sites and additive manufacturing. If you'd like to learn more about what GKN Aerospace is doing in these fields, be sure to check out our website at gknaerospace.com, and of course continue to follow us on our social channels, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So on behalf of my very special guest, Mr. Nick Bowman, I want to say thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you at the next show.